Hello and welcome to Tower of the Americas. After our quick elevator ride to the top, you'll be taking in the best views of beautiful San Antonio. Built in 1968 as the centerpiece for the World's Fair, Tower of the Americas stands 750 feet above the sprawling Alamo City below. If you were to take the stairs, it might take you a while to complete the nearly 1,000-step journey to the top. Relax and enjoy the view as we ascend skyward. Our first stop is Chart House Restaurant, serving legendary steaks and seafood as guests overlook the bustling cityscape below as the restaurant slowly rotates 360 degrees. Grab a cocktail, a quick drink at Bar 601 and enjoy happy hour later. Our second and final stop will be the observation deck here at Tower of the Americas. Breathtaking panoramic views await. Throughout the observation level, we have information identifying landmarks and tell just a few tales of Texas' colorful history. Thank you for visiting Tower of the Americas.
Getting a little jeebies there, man. Look at that. Getting a little jeebie there. You guys probably used to
That was the whole ride, huh?
Observation level?
Are you the bouncers in case anybody gets rowdy?